children, welcome to the online classes. In our last class we read about the value of the cleanliness. What we read? See, Anuj and Ronit were playing in the park. Ronit was feeling hungry, so he bought something from the roadside vendor because he was feeling hungry, so he wanted to buy it and eat. But his friend said that you should not eat the uncovered food and there are flies on the food. But he said, no, I am feeling hungry, so I want to eat it. So he took that same food and he ate with his dirty hands. He did not wash his hands, but he ate that food. The very next day he was not feeling well. He was having a pain in his stomach. So when there was a pain, his mother took him to the hospital and doctor said that if you want to keep away from the bitter medicines and injections, you should follow what I am going to tell you. Then Anuj also, then Anuj said, yes doctor, surely I'll be following whatever you say, I'll follow it. Then the doctor said, you should take bath daily, you should keep yourself clean, you should always wear clean clothes, we should brush our teeth 2 times twice every day, morning and at bedtime. Then we should rinse our mouth after every meal. We should keep our nails short and clean. We should not eat the uncovered food, drink filtered water, and always eat fresh and clean food. Then Anuj said, yes doctor, I'll promise you that whatever the rules you have said, I will follow everything. Then from that day onwards, Anuj was very clean and healthy. Okay, so even not only Anuj, everyone should follow all these things. So let us do the exercises. Open page number 10. We should always wear clean, dirty, new clothes. Clean clothes. CLEAN. Clean. We should brush our teeth. We should brush our teeth properly in the morning, bedtime, and both morning and bedtime. Both we should brush. Always drink boiled, filtered, dirty water. Filtered water. FILTERED, filtered. Anuj had a headache, toothache, stomachache. Stomachache. STOMACH. Stomach. ACHE. Stomach ache. Okay. Listening no need. Then what we have? Using the language, page number 12. Look at these short forms. Is not, isn't it. Was not, wasn't. Has not, hasn't. Do not, don't. Did not, didn't. Could not, could not. Had not. Cannot, can't. Will not, won't. Must not, mustn't. Are not, aren't. Were not, weren't. Have not, haven't. Does not, doesn't. Look at the picture. Write the questions and answers using short form wherever necessary. Are they studying? No, they aren't. They are playing. Then what they are doing? This boy is sleeping. Is this?
Hi, Santo, your phone is ringing. Please take a look.
Is this boy reading? No, he isn't. ISNT, isn't. He is sleeping. Is this boy reading? No, he isn't. He is sleeping. Then Is this girl sleeping? Is this girl sleeping? No, she isn't. She is eating. Okay. Is this boy reading? No, he isn't. He is sleeping. Is this girl sleeping? No, she isn't. She is eating. Okay. Look at the following conversation. I have a stomachache. You must have eaten some dirty food. Tell your mother about it. I have a headache. Oh, why don't you sleep for some time? Now give advice in the following situations. I am tired. I am tired. If you are tired, what you will do? Then, oh, why don't you take rest for some time? Why don't you take rest for some time? I have a toothache. You must visit to a dentist. You must visit to a dentist. I have lost my English notebook. Why don't you check with your friends? I can't see the blackboard properly. You must visit for you must have an eye checkup. Eye checkup. Okay. You must have an eye checkup. Then vocabulary. Covered, uncovered. Clean, unclean. Regularly, irregularly. Bitter, sweet. Active, inactive. Happy, unhappy. Covered, uncovered. Clean, unclean. Regularly, irregularly. Bitter, sweet. Active, inactive. Happy, unhappy. Okay. Then 14. Use these words in a sentence. Hungry. I am hungry. Eatables. Let us buy some eatables. Stomachache. I have a stomachache. Doctor. You must visit a doctor. Medicine. We must take medicine on time. Okay. Okay. Then imagine you were Anuj. The doctor advised you to keep yourself clean. Now write a short paragraph on all the points the doctor told you to do. So what all the points? Here only the points are there, no children? All these points. So all these points All these points you just write it here. Okay children, this is for your homework. Okay, then that's all for today. We'll meet in our next class. Have a good day.